Alright, so today we're going to show you how to do spoon bending really easy. I've seen a lot of videos online that says that you need to do a lot of concentration or focus or tell the spoon to bend or move. One of the easiest ways to do spoon bending is first, connect with the spoon. Just pretend or imagine that you and the spoon are one. And then when you feel like you've connected with it, and you feel a change in body temperature, that's when you bend it like this. And you're done.
Okay.
Alright, so some people say that you need to hold the spoon before you bend it in order to bend it. That's really not the case. Again, as in the first video, first connect with the spoon. And once you feel that connection and some kind of change within your system, like a breathing change or a temperature change, that's when you know you can grab that spoon and bend it. And there we go.